I'm gonna go do a quick cardio session at my clubhouse gym. I'm gonna edit while I walk because that helps me not think about the cardio part. When I bought my house in 2023, I didn't even know that there were plans for a clubhouse and a huge pool. I am very thankful that there's a gym in there and they just added dumbbells. Instead of going to Gold's on days like today where I have a big drop, I am just going to go there. I just fed my sourdough starter so I can make some focaccia, and then I put these ceramic items in the oven because I had my drop today. All right, we have 5 minutes before the drop, so we're gonna get some vibes going, some good vibes. It's finally like a decent day and it's not that hot. Of course I have Basil here. She always lays in front of me. What do you have to say? This is the first drop sitting here at my table in my new office, so I'm kind of excited. Obviously, I have another whole series about me decorating this, so if those episodes aren't out yet, pretend like you don't know anything about this room. I am trying to save money right now, so I'm putting a pause on getting all of my decorations, but I will probably thrift most of my decor. Got my first order. It is a mess because I am moving to the other office. I should have done this yesterday, but there's just so many things happening. I went to happy hour at the new Lucky AF in Short Pump in Richmond. It was delicious and I still have leftover sushi, which I don't know if some people think that's weird to eat like leftover sushi, but I'll eat leftover anything. I need to seal all of these and then stamp them, sign them. People have been buying the bigger items. So like someone bought this huge canvas, someone bought this textured one. These ones were sold too. So very exciting. I just need to get this stuff out of here. I use this Liquitex varnish in satin. I get this huge one from Amazon. I'll link that down below, but this is the one that I use. I just like it because it's easy and it protects my paints. So when I'm sealing even textured stuff like this, it's just like a little bit awkward, but I just kind of rub it in real good. Like that. So there's some like ASMR. And then it's easier when you have a light because then you can really see any dry spots. All right, and then I'll pour more on the top and I'll use that for the sides. That's just the way I do it. I'm sure there's maybe better ways. This is the way that works for me. But I do want to get into having like longer format videos like this, so it feels like you guys can just like turn me on while you're working or doing something. We can just chit chat. It is a weird concept, I guess, just like literally me talking into a screen, but it helps me get through my day. Let me get you guys a different angle. Okay, it's not like straight down my shirt. Not like there's much to see. So we are going to go back and forth, get the sides with the excess. You don't want to overdo it with the brushing because then it could get like foggy a little bit. If you're watching this, I would love any ideas of what you guys want to see more in terms of like YouTube videos. I just want to get into the swing of recording and posting, sharing more about my life, how I even started this business, how I stay sane, how I stay confident in like months where I'm not making as much money. There's a lot that goes into it, honestly, but I think my brain has just, I'm wired to wake up and get stuff done. I've always had a good work ethic, even in college when I started this. And obviously, since this is how I make money, I can't really slack. I'm currently watching like 17 different reality TV shows. Obviously Love Island. Just started Love Island UK. And I'm also watching this new show on Hulu called Millionaire Millionaire Nannies. I like reality, I like competition reality shows. I like ones where they have like past celebrity reality people, because then I'm like, oh, I know them. Love a good love reality show. I also like cooking shows, scary movies, like literally everything. The only thing I just don't like it. Maybe I just don't give it a chance, but like any Western films where it's like, you know, cowboys in a town, the hay thing rolling, you know, that kind of stuff is like, eh. I never watched Game of Thrones. I tried, and I think if I gave it a chance, I would like it, but I usually watch all of my shows while I'm working. I remember watching the first episode, and like 30 minutes in, I was like, wait, all of these names, I don't know who's who, because I'm half painting and like barely looking at the screen. So I just knew that wasn't a show. Like I'd need to sit and actually watch it. But I am pretty good at multitasking. So if anyone has any good show recommendations that I may have not watched yet, let me know in the comments, or just like if you want to say hi, give some engagement. I'm trying my best over here. Like, it's not easy to just do this every day, and sometimes I forget that I need to give myself credit, because I'm just like making things out of thin air and hoping people buy it. Obviously, I spent like the past 10 years growing my like social media and just hoping that people know who I am by now, but it is hard to always be creative, always be making things, hoping people buy stuff, but that is the life that I chose. And honestly, it is very fulfilling. I need water. All right, now I am signing each one. I'm just going through the existing orders from today, from the drop and the hats. I'm gonna write their names and organize them around the room, so then I can just package them all up together. Put all of these to the matching orders. Got my iPad. So April got this cute canvas, like textured heart canvas. Hannah got these two canvases, textured piece. She got these three. I love that she got all three of them.
Google about health shit because it's telling me I have a brain tumor and I don't need that right now.
You definitely don't. Carly got a cute one.
What'd Carly get? Cute.
Simple, cute. Mini.
Subscribe and like and follow for more content.
Thanks. I am now doing the labels, so I just weigh each one and print their labels out. Since all of the boxes are different sizes, I have to measure each one, but that doesn't take a long time. Ow, I just hit my face. And this one is going to Maryland. I am gonna put a fragile sticker on this. I don't know if they actually pay attention to that, but I'm hoping that they do. Sherry's done. Whew, I am tired. I'm gonna make an iced latte before Basil's vet appointment. Oh, God. Yeah, I'm really tired today. I'm gonna do these ones. This is our stack so far. Post office day. Dun, 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 dun. I'm not excited to lug this down the stairs.